I'm excited to get gifts. It's about time. Been so busy. And we have our beer. Yes. We got a whole 6-pack here. And for those of you that say, but I thought you didn't drink. I don't. We're actually using this for capacity. So we're going to have leftovers for probably months because we're using it in a recipe.
Now my brother's going to come home and drink it all.
Or that. We'll save it as we'll wrap it up for Christmas for your brother.
Here you go, brother. Here's a 6-pack. Oh, what's left of a 6-pack?
Wrap the whole thing and have have missing bottles. Hey guys, good morning. How's it going? We have change of plans for today. So we found out, in addition to the whole vehicle registration problem, which you guys have seen in the other videos, we just found out this morning that the car will not start. So we're out of vehicle. It's not registered. The state of Kansas never open on the weekends for us to get it registered. So we are headed out to Carmax today, and we are going to be looking at some newer cars. So we're wanting to find something very presentable and very reliable that we don't have to worry about just breaking down. We're going to keep the Jeep that we have. I love Jeeps. They're solid vehicles overall. Structurally, you can go off-roading with them and they'll come out just fine. So we're going to keep it. We're going to keep it and do some work to it. Jordan's been working on it this morning, as a matter of fact. However, we do need one vehicle, at least one vehicle that we can count on that is not going to just break down on us overnight. So, or leave us stranded. So that is what we're doing today. So it's an exciting day. We've got a few vehicles in mind and we're going to check them out. Yay. I am. I
was going to take some shots for you.
Oh, that works too. Hey guys, so we just got out of, I almost said BMW. We got out of Carmax.
Carmax! And
we have us a BMW. I'm so excited. Look at that. It's got a sunroof. It is so cool. So some of you guys have been with me from the beginning when I was nearly homeless. And even before I met him, had the old pickup truck. My cars kept breaking down. And yeah, going from nearly on the street to having a BMW that's like practically brand new miles wise. It's an older one, but we got all the warranties and it's like really low miles, like 50-something thousand. So I don't want to say too much because I'll start crying, but I am really, really, really like so honored to have come this far and met Jordan, and he's the biggest bonus of them all. And anyway, so we're gonna go do our running around. I gotta feed him because we've been here for like 8 hours. Carmax has been awesome. We had a lot of hoops to jump through, and they jumped through all of them.
I haven't eaten for almost 20 hours now. That's not how my diet works.
He was giving him coffee and waters, and
he was gonna buy me dinner.
He was gonna take him to McDonald's, right?
Yeah.
Skip James. Shout out to Skip James at Carmax in Merriam, Kansas, or Kansas City, Missouri, Kansas, whatever this place is. Everybody here was amazing. I am so impressed with Carmax, and I love the boat. That was so cool.
The boat was a nice touch.
Okay, we're going to get down the road, guys. We love you guys, and more very soon.